She's a powerhouse designer and entrepreneur in the short-term rental space. And he's a Red Seal carpenter who brings precision and skill to every build. Tatianna and Thomas.
Our work dynamic is interesting, like siblings.
Hold on, can I finish the shelf first before we
Put those little knickknacks on there.
Did any come off?
Yeah.
This niche is too small. I'll give you $100.
How about 100,000?
I mean, we're very strong-headed, both of us. Strong opinionated.
Passionate.
Yeah, passionate.
If we can't do it right, then we don't do it at all.
Go down, go up. Don't just start going all over the place. Aggression, aggression.
We need to go big impact.
Woohoo!
When guests walk into our lake house, I want them to have just that exhale, that they're at a place that is complete peace, where they can create memories that they're gonna talk about years after that.
The room overall had just such a beautiful feel.
Oh, this is nice.
These faux trusses.
Great detail.
Oh my gosh, the amount of work on that ceiling alone is outrageous.
Wow.
That says premium all over it. Taking home the title of Renovation Resort Champions and the $100,000 prize is Tatianna and Thomas. Congratulations. Great job.
We are the Renovation Resort champions.
And we're taking home $100,000. Oh, takes off my eye at the last second.